Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Samyuktha Vinod. So today's video is going to be how to create a winged eyeliner using a liquid eyeliner. So in detail, I've already done a video regarding like three different products. With three different products I've created the wing. I'll just put it in the iCard. If you haven't watched, please go and watch that. And this video is going to be basically with using a liquid eyeliner. So I used a sketch pen, like that is liquid eyeliner but with a sketch pen format. But in this video I'm going to clearly tell you how to create a perfect eyeliner using a liquid eyeliner, which I'm going to use this Maybelline's Colossal eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. It's a matte eyeliner. I'm going to use this today. So it's a perfect liquid eyeliner. So I'll just give you some few tips and tricks for beginners to create a good eyeliner look. So keep watching. Subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button, and do not forget to hit the bell icon, especially the all button, to get notified whenever I upload new video. So let's start the video. So first one is choosing your liquid eyeliner. So you have to choose your liquid eyeliner which is comfortable to you, which you like. Say for example, there are many for like textures, matte, glossy and everything. So you have to choose the one which you like. So I generally prefer a matte eyeliner instead of going with a glossier one. So I just chose this eyeliner for today's look. Next tip is that now you have chosen the product. Now you have to choose the right tool. Of course you'll get a tool along with the eyeliner itself, but the problem with this particular eyeliner I'll show you is this. You can see the wand, that eyeliner tip is very thick. So if you need a very precise look or a precise wing, you will not be able to do it properly with this kind of tip. So you have to always have a check on the applicator. So the applicator here is, as I told you, it's it's very thick. So you'll know it's very difficult for you to create a thin eyeliner. So always go with if you need a thicker one, you can just go with this. If not, you can invest in some like brushes. You'll get a separate brushes like this. So this is Vega's eyeliner brush. You can see the tip is very thin, so that it will be easier to create a thin eyeliner looks. One more thing is that using this is, here you cannot hold up so close, but here you can just hold up very close to the eyeliner brush, so that it will be easier for you to have a controlled effect. So always use this kind of thing. If you're okay with that, then it's fine. If not, you just go with this type of brush. Before proceeding, I will say that always rest your hand. Say, I'll just show you. See, something like this. You have to always rest your hand, so that you will not end up shaking. Your hands will not shake. So rest your hand like this and then start with your eyeliner process. I rested my hand here. Usually I do it myself, but for beginners I'd say rest your hand and then start doing it. Tip is that always start. So next tip is that have a good handy mirror in front of you. Now just take up close and always start with the middle. Next tip is that always go in smaller strokes. Don't go like this straight away. So first start with the middle, and next you just go with the smaller strokes. Now join the inner corner. So always it's preferable to always have a thinner always have a thinner inner corner, and when you go up, go gradually. That will give you a good enhanced look. Now I've just joined the inner corner, just join the other outer corner also. Now this is over. Next process is wing. Now from this end and just flick your wing. Second, you just join from here, like almost from your 3/3, join wing like this. Now we have joined. So the wing can be in however you wish. So you can just go with a cat eye wing. So it depends on how you like it. Say for example, if you want a still more bigger thing, always again from the middle you just start and make it slightly bigger. Say for example, if you want to have a flick here, just have a look here. So that's it. It's a very simple process. So always don't go like straight away within a single stroke itself. Just go with the smaller strokes and just connect it. Now the eyeliner part is done. Now you can just have your mascara and you are good to go. And additional tip is that if you find, once after everything is dried, if you find some gaps, so always don't go with the liquid thing. So sometimes it might get into your eyes if you go so close. So in that case, what you can do is you can use your like kajal, any kajal, and you can just tight line your upper lash line. See how easy and quick it is. It's just a matter of a few, like 1 minute, a minute or so, you can feel it, like you can have a good eyeliner. So that's not at all a issue. So you can just, with the few tips and tricks which I've given you, you just follow that and have a good eyeliner look. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please do give me a good fat thumbs up and hit the bell icon